Let's take a deeper dive into everything the 2025 Foretravel Motorcoach Presidential Series Realm FS605 offers. This motorcoach is the epitome of luxury travel, designed for those who demand excellence in every detail of their journey. Starting again with the exterior, the FS605 doesn't just turn heads, it commands attention. The exclusive paint options include intricate designs and vibrant colors that are both stunning and durable. It's not just about looks, though. The exterior is built for functionality with triple-sealed slide-outs that expand your living space while ensuring airtight security against the elements. The entry door itself is a marvel. It's keyless, controlled via a touchpad or smartphone app, and features a soft close mechanism. There's also a high-definition camera above the door, integrated into the motorcoach's 360-degree surveillance system, giving you complete security whether you're inside or away. The side panels house a fully integrated outdoor entertainment center with a weatherproof 4K TV, a soundbar, and Bluetooth connectivity. Imagine enjoying a movie under the stars or catching a game during a tailgate. This setup has you covered. As you step inside, the feeling of grandeur is immediate. The FS605 features a custom-designed interior with options for different decor themes, allowing you to personalize your space. The ceiling is adorned with LED accent lighting and intricate woodwork that adds a sense of sophistication. In the living area, every element has been designed for relaxation and utility. The power-adjustable sofas and recliners offer heat and massage functions, turning your downtime into a spa-like experience. The high-performance climate control system ensures perfect temperatures regardless of the weather outside. Let's focus more on the kitchen, which is not only beautiful but incredibly functional. Along with the residential fridge and induction cooktop, the FS605 also includes a built-in wine cooler and a smart oven with Wi-Fi connectivity, so you can preheat or monitor cooking from your phone. The custom cabinetry offers pull-out racks for spices, utensils, and other essentials, while the hidden trash and recycling bins keep the space clutter-free. The dining table, often overlooked in other motorhomes, is a masterpiece here. It features built-in wireless charging pads, ensuring your devices are always ready. The seating is ergonomically designed, offering comfort for extended meals or work sessions. Heading to the master suite, let's talk about the mood lighting. It's completely customizable, with options for reading lights, ambient lighting, and even a night mode for restful sleep. The walk-in wardrobe includes an automatic light sensor and a safe for your valuables. Additionally, there's a vanity area with a backlit mirror, perfect for getting ready on the go. The ensuite bathroom takes luxury to the next level. The dual vanities have waterfall faucets, and the under-cabinet lighting gives the room a serene glow. There's even a smart mirror with touchscreen controls, letting you check the weather, play music, or catch up on the news while you're getting ready. Beyond the standard features, the FS605 offers advanced water management. It includes a filtration system and an optional water softener, ensuring you always have clean, soft water for drinking, cooking, and bathing. When it comes to driving, the cockpit is as luxurious as the rest of the coach. The ergonomic captain's chairs are heated, ventilated, and equipped with massage functions to keep you comfortable during long drives. The digital dashboard displays real-time information, from tire pressure to navigation, all at a glance. The FS605 also offers unparalleled connectivity. It comes with a 5G-compatible router, multiple USB and power outlets throughout the motorcoach, and even a satellite TV system. Whether you're working remotely or streaming your favorite shows, staying connected is effortless. And we can't forget the unparalleled customer service Foretravel offers. Owners of the FS605 gain access to a dedicated support team, roadside assistance, and concierge services to help with everything from trip planning to maintenance scheduling. In summary, the 2025 Foretravel Motorcoach Presidential Series Realm FS605 is more than a motorhome, it's a lifestyle. Every feature, every detail, is crafted to elevate your travel experience. This isn't just a vehicle, it's your home, office, and luxury retreat rolled into one. Would this masterpiece of engineering and design make your travel dreams a reality? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the world of ultimate RV luxury. Stay tuned for our next adventure.